Hello! In front of me I have SUUNTO Vertical and I'm gonna show you how to set up or set the alarm clock on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press and hold the middle button to open the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the option called alarm clock. Once you find it, tap on it to enter. And here we can set the new alarm clock by tapping on new alarm. Then we can select the repeat option, basically how often the alarm should repeat, and we have once. So if you select this option, it will go off only once. If you select the weekdays, it will go off on weekdays, and if you select daily, it will go off daily, so basically every day. So select the option you like, then set the time on which the alarm should go off. And once you set the time, you can swipe left and you should see the alarm right here. You can tap on it to edit the alarm, and you can turn it on or off. You can change the time again, you can change the repeat option, and you can also remove it if you want to. Of course, you can also have multiple alarms if you like to have multiple ones, like this. And you can also remove the alarms by tapping on one, scrolling down and tapping on delete. Okay, and once you're done, you can swipe right on the screen to go back to watch face. And that's how you set the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.